Science, science, science. It is not just in the classroom. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, the places where we go, the activities we do like swimming and boating. Hello everyone. I am Sneha Yadav. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Invincible Science. I have bachelor's degree in science, cleared AFCAT and CDS, and right now I am studying for B.Ed, which is all about learning the best way to teach science. Science has always fascinated me. It's everywhere, right from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. तो आज से हम इस चैनल पर साइंस को अपने अराउंड फील करेंगे with some super exciting experiments to uncover the secrets of scientific concepts and to explore the best ways to make learning fun and meaningful. ये वीडियोस सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही हेल्पफुल नहीं है, but for the parents who are teaching their own children and for the future teachers like me also. Whether you are looking to ace exams or just passionate about science, there is something for everyone. So if you are ready to explore, hit the subscribe button, join me on this venture. Let's unlock the wonders of science together. Thank you and see you in the next video.